As part of the previous topic, we have understood how to process the HTML content by reading it and also by seeing some of the filtering features. We haven't gone into too many details with respect to filtering. We will be seeing with realistic examples very soon, but we have gotten overview about how to read and filter. At times, you might have to manipulate. Let us understand how to manipulate HTML content leveraging APIs provided by BeautifulSoup on top of the DOM structure, which means we should be able to manipulate the DOM structure either by removing the tag along with the content, or just remove the tag by retaining the content, or wrap the existing tag or content within another new tag, or we might also want to change the properties of the tag. So we have methods such as decompose to remove the tag along with the content, unwrap to remove the content by retaining the content. Also, there are ways to set the properties of the tag by assigning values to the generated dict type object. We can also enclose existing content or tag into new tags. It is a bit tedious. There is no straightforward API, but it's not very complicated. Let's create a variable by name HTML_str which contains the string. The string is valid HTML. Now we should be able to run this to display this. On top of the table, we also have this some text. Let's say I want to remove this along with the content. We can use decompose for that. If you just want to retain the content but remove the tag associated with that some text, you can actually use unwrap. We will see examples as we proceed further. Now this is how we should be able to create this soup object, and you can see the output of prettify here. We have some text in paragraph tag or p tag, and then you have the table in which we have the td tags with the details and the URLs. Now let's say I wanted to decompose the p tag. It's pretty straightforward. You just have to find the p tag. It will return the first p tag. So find is the one which will return the first occurrence of a tag, similar to what we have seen earlier with the soup.p. Either you can say soup.p or soup.find of p. Either ways it will work. Now you should be able to say p.decompose, and then if you look at the soup, there is no p tag. It is replaced or it is removed. Probably it is replaced with a new line character. That's why you are seeing empty part here. This is how you should be able to decompose a particular tag. Now let's say I want to unwrap a particular tag. So in this case, for YouTube channel and GitHub repository, it is enclosed within anchor tag within td tag. So for this one, I just wanted to retain the content, which is nothing but YouTube channel, but I want to remove the anchor tag. For that, I can use unwrap. So if I run this, you can see that there is an anchor tag. Let's see what it returns. It returns this anchor tag details with href and the content. And if I say a.unwrap, the anchor tag is gone. Now if I run this as part of the output, there is no more anchor tag. This is how you should be able to manipulate. If you wanted to print and see whether the link is really gone, what you can do is you just have to copy this, add a new cell, and then you can say from ipython.core.display import display HTML. Now you can say display HTML string of soup, and you can run this. You can see the output. Now YouTube channel doesn't have any link. It just have plain content. So in this case, let's understand how to update the class of all the tr tags. First, let us understand what we have as part of the tr tags. For that, we can say for tag in soup.findAll, and then just tag as part of the print. It will display what all we have as part of the tr. There is no class or ID for each of these tr tags. Let's say I want to add a class so that I can control the behavior by using CSS. So class is a concept to control the behavior of the tags, the way they are rendering. So in this case, I'm just trying to update the class for each and every tr tag. This is how it will look like. We can say for tag in soup.findAll of tr, tag of class equal to special. If you run this, it will throw error because as of now there is no class for each of these tr tags. That's why it is failing. But once we run this, where the class is added to each and every tag, now if you try to print it, it will give you the class of each and every tr tag. You can also validate by running this, and you can see class for each and every tr tag here. So this is how you should be able to set the attributes to the tags by just assigning values by specifying a class in this manner. You just have to set tag of class and then equal to, and then you just have to give the class name. The class name can be passed as string. Now let's understand how to wrap a particular tag around the text. This is a bit tricky. In this case, first you have to extract the content from the tag. Then you have to replace that with the new tag along with the content. So in this case, I am creating a new tag by using soup.new tag of strong. Strong is of type tag now. You can actually say strong here, and also you can validate the type of it by saying type of strong like this. You can see it is of type tag. Now I can actually get the content of td by saying td.text, right? So td.text or td.getText or td.string will give us the text part of the tag. Even text will give us the text part of the tag. You can validate by saying td equal to soup.find of td and then td.text. You can see it have returned video content. Now using this strong, which is of type tag, we can say insert, and we should be able to specify the position and the value which you want to insert into it. In this case, I'm trying to insert the contents of the td, which is nothing but this video content. Now you can run this. Now strong will contain not only strong tag but also video content within it. Now we have to replace the td's text with this. How to do that? We have to say td.string equal to single quotes like this. The text is changed. You can see here td doesn't have any text within it. It is just empty tag. Now you can say td.insert of 0, strong. You have replaced the content with strong along with content. Now you should be able to run this and you can see the output here. tr class equal to special td strong video content strong closing tag td closing tag and then rest of the stuff. Now if you want to replace for each and every td tags where there are no anchor tags, this is how the code look like. So for tag in soup.findAll of td, if not tag.find of a, if a particular tag doesn't have anchor tag within it, so we are going through all the td tags and we are checking if there is any anchor tag within it. If there is an anchor tag, we are ignoring that. Otherwise, we are actually performing the same steps which we have seen earlier. We are creating a new tag with strong. We are inserting the text of existing tag text into the strong. Then we are resetting the tag which is being processed with empty string. Then we are inserting the content of the strong tag into this td tag in each iteration. And finally, all the td tags except this one will have strong associated with them. You can run this and you can see the output. When it comes to video content, it is under strong. YouTube channel is also under strong. Reference material is also under strong. But the anchor tag with the GitHub repository, it is not under strong because we filtered that out as part of this if condition. Now you can actually display the output by saying this, and you can see video content, YouTube channel and reference material are in bold now, whereas GitHub repository is in regular format. This is how you should be able to manipulate the DOM using the APIs that are provided as part of our BeautifulSoup. These are also called as methods. BeautifulSoup is nothing but a class. Using the BeautifulSoup methods, we should be able to process our DOM structure even by manipulating it.